And 810 minus 310 on our slide though. Letter A answered 5 over 10, that is 71%. And letter B, 1 half, that is 29%. And the correct answer is 1 half. So 8 minus 3 is 5 over 10. Then the common denominator is 5. 5 divided by 1, 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then 10 divided by 5 is 2. That's why we have 1 half. Wow! Ito, pwede to. Kaya lang hindi na-reduce sa lowest term itong 5 over 10. Sabi nga natin, laging nare-reduce ang fraction sa lowest term. Okay, let's go. Get ready for our third slide. Ayan. And ready. Ayan. 4, 6 times 2 4. Multiply the numerator, then denominator by the denominator. Then reduce the lowest term. Alright, the time is up. Okay. Yun, the correct answer is, i-reduce the lowest term. Ito 624, i-reduce mo lang sa lowest term. So that is 1/4, which is 47%. Okay. Gising-gising guys. Tingnan natin. Next slide though. Ready. 100% ha. Boom. Ayan. 2/3 divided by 6/3. So get the reciprocal of 6/3, that is 3/6. Then multiply. Okay, so we have letter A, 69%, answered 1/3. Letter B, 31%, answered 1/2. And the correct answer is 1/3. Wow. Okay, let's go to the next slide though. Next slide though. Yan, get ready. Go. 7/8 divided by 7/8. Oh, I hope this one will be 100%. 7/8 divided by 7/8. So get the reciprocal of the other fraction. What is the answer? Ayan, tingnan natin. Alright, may naiwang 6. So letter A answered 56, which is equal to 6%, and letter A1 is equivalent to 94%. And the correct answer is, of course, 1. Any fraction that is being divided by it, the same fraction will always result to answer 1. Okay. Okay, tingnan natin yung ating top 5. You have Kenry, 27 seconds. Mga perfect score. Yumil, 49 seconds. Hannah, 38 seconds. Maya Edel, 45 seconds. Joshan Denzel, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Yan yung ating mga top 5. So, ang naka-perfect na dyan si Yumil. Wow. Alright, so nakita nyo yung mga, makikita nyo rin dyan sa inyong cellphone, ang inyong mga rank, kung anong rank kayo. Okay. So thank you guys sa ating participation sa Slido. So let's proceed to our next slides. Ayan. Ayan yung long quiz natin. So nag-present na si Danilo dyan, yung ating score. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung sila niya sa akin nung nakaraan. Ayan. Oh. Mardox wala. Ayan. Jerain wala. Better next time. Ito rin. Ito, mababa, Yumil. Kenry, mababa rin. Andrea Gale, mababa. Si Datron. Tapos yung ibang hindi nagpasa, ito lang yung mga masisipag na nag-try. Yung iba, yan. Wala tayong gigigrade sa inyo, ha? Okay? Okay, so we have here a problem. Who wants to read?
would like to read this problem? Yung nasa past lang. Anybody? Oh, you open your mic. Those who want to read. Oh, Andrea, ikaw na nga. Nahiya silang magbasa. Go, Andrea. All right. Miss Cruz asked her two pupils to write on the board the proper way of reading the decimal number 35.008. How do they write that in a decimal form? The pupils gave their answers. Rachel, the first pupil, answered or write in the board 35 and 8 thousandths. Wally, the second pupil, answered 35 8 thousandths. So which of them is correct? Oh. Which do you think? Rachel or Wally? Rachel. All right. Okay. So Rachel, 35 and 8 thousandths. Why Wally? 35 8 thousandths. So Rachel got the correct answer, no? So we have here a table. This is a whole number, decimal point, and a decimal number, no? So here, 35, then we have decimal point over here, then 008. Oh. A decimal point separates the whole number and a decimal part of a decimal. So this decimal point here, it separates the whole number. Yung 35 is a whole number. Yung sa kaliwa, yung nasa kanan naman is a decimal number. Yeah? So pinaghihiwalay niya yung whole number at decimal number using decimal point. Thus, the decimal number 35 and 8 thousandths is read as, or 35.008 is read as 35 and 8 thousandths. So, paano nangyari yon? Itong nandirito, decimal point, ito na yung 0 is tens place, yung another 0, yung dito sa 008. Yan sa problem natin, 35 and 008. Yung first 0 is tens place with THS, then second 0 is hundreds place with THS, then 8 is thousands place with THS. Yan. Pagka dito sa kanan, ang unang-una mong decimal place, nagsisimula na tayo sa tens. Tingnan mo dito sa kaliwa, no? Yung 35, yung 3 and 5, yung 5 is ones. Tapos yung 3, tens. Oh, yan, tingnan mo yung pinagkaiba nila. Dito ay S lang. Dito sa decimal numbers, meron tayong dinadagdag na THS. Alright. So, this 35.008 is read as 35 and 8 thousandths. Itong decimal point na ito, read as AN. So if you are going to read this one, 35 decimal point, we read this decimal point as N. 35 and 8 thousandths. Ayan. Okay? Clear ba? Naliwanag ba? Naintindihan? Panahilo yata ka dyan. Okay, ulitin ko ha. 35 point, ito yung decimal point niya, 35.008. Hindi ka nagka-thumbs up eh. Etong 35 dito is your whole number. Yung decimal point, ayan ang nagse-separate ng whole number at saka decimal number. Kaya ayan, yung tens, yung first number dito is tens place na. Yung susunod is hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Pag may susunod pa dito, 100,000s. Pag meron pa dito. Dito naman sa whole number, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Yan. Kaya pag binasa natin itong 35.008 in decimal form, we read this one as 35. Yung decimal point, we read that as N. 35 and 0, 35 and 8 thousands kasi nasa thousands place yung 8. Okay. Okay na, maliwanag na ha. Okay. How do you read this one? Itong nasa baba, ito. 1.5. How do you read that one in decimal number? Anybody? 1.5. So how do you read that one? We do not read in decimal. Yes. Andrea, go. All right, very good. So that is 1 and 5 tens. O, tingnan natin. Itong 1 is a whole number, then meron siyang decimal point. 1, yung point, and yung 5, nasa tens place siya, no? So we read this one, 1 and 5 tens. All right, next number. This one, how do you read this one? Yumil Joy, how do you read that one? All right, very good. Let's say, so this one, a whole number, 1, tapos decimal point, then 0, 5. Yung 5, ang decimal place niya na is 100. So it is read as 1 and 5 hundreds. Very good. All right, next. Danilo, go. All right, so 1 and 5 thousands. 1.005 is read as 1 and 5 thousands. Okay, how about this one? O, wala na dyan, di ba? Ayun, may nagtataas. Go, Darius. 1 and 5, 10,000. All right, tingnan natin. So we have there 1.0005. So we have there, wala na dito, kapos na yung ano natin. So we have tens, 100,000. So we have there 10,000 place dito ha. So very good. So that is read as 1 and 5, 10,000. Ayos, Darius. All right, so may we have the last one? Ayo, go, Josian. Again, Josian. Aha. 1 and 500,000. Oh. Another answer? Okay. Si, Andrea is raising her hands. Go, Andrea. All right, so that is read as 1.00005. This is tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 95. So it is read as 1 and 500,000. Tama ba yung sagot mo kanina, Josian? Let's go. Okay. Okay, Josian and Andrea, correct? Okay. Okay, very good. So let's move on to our next slide. So that is reading and writing decimal point. No? So let's add another one here. Ito, mga background lang natin to para preparation for our next lesson on Friday. Parang refresher lang to sa inyo. Alright. So fraction can also be written in decimal. No? So you have here, or the other way around, decimal to fraction, then fraction to decimal. No? So read as number 1, 1/10. In decimal, we can read that 1/10. Yeah? Yung 1 is in the 10th place. Then you have number 2, 12 over 100 in fraction form. In decimal form, that is read as 12 hundredths. Diba? Kita nyo naman. Very simple lang. Ito naman. 1 over 1,000. In decimal form, 0.001 read as 1 thousandths. Then, the next one, 1 over, in fraction form, 7 over 10,000. In decimal form, 0.007, and that read as 7/10,000. O, nakuha nyo? Nakuha nyo ba? Pag 10, 1/10, 1 over 10, 1/10 in decimal. Pag 200, 12 over 100, 12 hundredths. Pag 1 over 1,000, in decimal, 1,000. So we have S there. Then 7/10,000 is 0.00710,000. Okay? So let's try. We have here a exercise. Ayan, tingnan natin. Rename the following fraction to decimal. Okay, who would like to answer number 1? Number 1. Yes, Yumil Joy, raising his hand, her hand. Go. Again. All right. So that is 2 over 100 in decimal form, Yumil, that is correct. That is 2 hundredths. Paano yan isulat? How do you write that one? Sige nga, isulat mo dito sa chat box natin. Yumil. Sige nga, isulat nyo nga dito sa chat box kung paano isulat yung 2 over 100 in decimal form. Alright, Rodrigo. Ayan, may sumulat, Rodrigo. 0.02. Alright, ito, Hana Lea, 0.002. Sumobra ka, Hana. 200s. Ayan. So, ang nakasulat ng tama, Rodrigo Muyo, 0.02 or 2 hundredths. Ayan. Okay, very good. Alright, now we have the next number, 2, 5/10. Okay. Sige, pakisulat na lang yung answer niyo dito sa chat box para nakikita. How do you write that one in a decimal form? Number 2, you write number 2, yan. Alright, so we have your answer. Yumil, Joy, 0 and 0.5, 0.5, Mia, 0.5, Andrea, 0.5, Chloe, 0.5. Alright, so the correct answer is 0.5, or we read that as 5/10. Alright, how about the other? Hindi nagpa-participate. Yung mga naka-close ang mga tawag dito, cam, pakibukas kasi minsan may ginagawa kayong milagro o hindi nakikinig, hindi ko kayo nakikita pagka naka-close kayo. Okay, next. Number 3, we have there 15 over 100. You write your answer on the chat box, then go. 15 over 100. How do you write that one in decimal form? Okay, you write your answer on the chat box. That is 0.15, Josian 0.15, Chloe 0.15, Maya 0.15, RB James 0.15. How about the others? Go. John R. Yes. Yes, Yumil. May sasabihin ka? May sagot ka na. Wala pa dito eh. Yumil. Ay, ikaw yung nauna. Okay. Yumil. Ayan. The first one to give her answer. Alright, so the correct answer is 0.15, or we read that one as 15 hundredths. Okay. Next, number 4. 87 over 100. How do you write that one in decimal form? Go. On the chat box, go. Okay. Thank you sa mga nakakuha sa ating number 3. Ayan. You deserve a virtual clap. And naririnig niya mga clap natin dyan dito sa ating, meron ako ditong prepare na music para sa inyo. Alright, you write your answers 80 number, we have number 4, 87 over 100 in decimal form is, wala pa nagsusulat sa chat box. Ay, meron na pala. Sa taas na naman ako. Ano ba yan? And the first one to give this answer, we have Rodrigo Muyo, 0.87, Danilo, 0.87, si Joshua ka-answer pa lang, Andrea Gales, 0.87, Yumil, 0.87, Darius, 0.87, Maya Dalwas, 0.87, Alpha Jan Lopez, 0.87, Yumil Sabanal, 0.87, Maya, 0.87, Margok, 0.87, RB, Jerain, Danilo, 0.9. Ano nangyari dito? Alright, the correct answer is, of course, 0.80 as 87 hundredths. Okay, so maybe proceed to number 5. Very good, guys, sa mga nakakuha. Yan. How about number 5? We have 9 over 100. So how do we write that one in... nag-advance pala si Danilo sa answer niya. Kala ko, yan yun yung answer niya sa number 4. Alright, the first one to give the answer is Danilo, 0.09. Rodrigo Muyo, 0.09. Alpha Jan Lopez, 0.09. Andrea Gagave, 0.09. Joshua, 0.09. Alpha Yumil, 0.09. Maya, 0. Darius, Chloe, Hanalea. And the first one to give the answer is Danilo, 0.09, which is read as 900. So very good, guys. Yeah. All right, we will proceed with numbers. Dito sa number 5, that is 9 over 100. Oh. You use 0 as a replacer. Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay na 0.9 dyan. Pag nilagay mo 0.9, ang basa natin dyan is 9/10. Di ba? So you use 0 as a replacer. Okay. So we have number 5 na tayo. Ay, number 6 na. Go. Number 6. 9/10. Alright, the first one to give this answer, tingnan natin dito sa taas. Margo, Andrea Hadlock, 0.9, 0.9, Sidatron, Abalos, 0.9, there is 0.9, and Abalos, Michael, 0.9, Johnson, 0.9, Janera Santos, 0.9, Sidatron, 0.9, Yumil Zabana, 0.9, that is 0.9. Asan yung iba? Bakit hindi nagpa-participate? Yung dati nagpa-participate, sila na lang yata. So we have, alright, the correct answer is 0.9 or that is 9/10. Okay, we proceed with number 4. Number 40, number 7 is 14 over 1,000 in decimal. Oh yes, sige. We have 25 in the house. At ang nagpapasa lang, wala pang 20. Guys, mag-participate kayo guys para masaya itong ating lesson. Ayan. Alright, number 7 na tayo guys. Okay, so Danilo, andito na yung sagot mo. Ayan. The first one to give, number 7, Danilo, 0.014. Ayan. Joshua, 0.014. Yumil, Sophia, Maya. Ayan, may nagpa-pop up, natatabunan yung sagot niyo. Advance itong si Andrea. Alright, so the answer is 0.014. So that is 14 thousandths with THS. Right. Number 8. So 126 thousandths. How do you write that one in decimal point? May sumagot ditong maaga. Ayan. Napakaaga. Yun. Si Andrea Gail Urrutia, number 1. First one to give the answer, 0.126. 0.126, Mia, Danilo, Josian, Alpha, Darius, Chloe, Yumil, Mardox, Hatlock, Jude, Rohan, Urila, Andrea, Uricha. Ayan, okay? Wow. Number 9 ka na. Ano ba naman yan? Very good. Sige. So the correct answer is 0.126. Okay. Number 9. Sumagot na rin kayo sa number 9. Ang bilis Okay, sige. Number 9 is 8, 10,000. How do you write it one? Tingnan ko nga. Number 9, 8, 10,000. Asan yung unang nakasagot? We have Andrea. Danilo. Ang sagot niya dali 0.0008. Tatlong 0 tapos 8. Tingnan natin. Okay. Yan, Josian is 0.0008. Ganun din si Maya, si Latron, Rafael Dula. That is 9, 10, Rafael. Rodrigo, Mia, Yumil Sabanal, Pimentel, Jane, Alpha. Alright, so the correct answer is 0.008. Tatlong 0. So that is read as 8, 10,000 with S, diba? Okay. May we proceed to number 10. 575. 575, 100,000. 575 over 100,000. How do you write that one in decimal form? Okay? Tingnan natin kung nakasagot na ba. Ang sagot ni, ayan, first one to answer is Sophia. Sophia, Yumil, Alpha, Analea. 500, 0.575. Dito naman, Michael Alves. Sumobra ka naman, Michael, ng isang 0 Alpha. Sobra din ito, 100,000. Tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Sumobra ito ng mga 0. Alright, let's just have this one. Sino pa yan nakakuha? Ito rin. Sobra din ng 0. Ito naman ito, Sophia. Tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Sumobra kayo ng 0. So, kung ito ang inyong magiging sagot, that is 575 millions. Yan ang sagot ninyo. Kasi sobra kayo ng 0. Okay. Okay na. Wala nang ibang sagot. Ayan, meron dito. Alright. So we have, ayan na. Andrea, nagbawas ng 0. Okay, okay na. Margot, 3 zeros lang yan. Margot, so it's 2-0 lang. Andrea, go. Yes. Yumil, yes. Chloe, yes. Alright, so that is the correct answer is 0.00575 or it is read as 575 100,000. Alright. Okay, so may we move on to our next slides. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung ating mga answer. Ayan. Ayan yung sumobra ka ng 0. Supposed to be 2 zeros lang. Ayan. Kita niyo ating mga answer dyan. Ayan. Okay? So, let's see this one. Alright. So, fraction can also be compared. Tignan natin, balikan natin para makapag-compare tayo ng maayos. Yung kanina. Ayan. Decimal number can also be compared, no? Kino-compare natin yan. Yung dito sa left side niya, huwag niyo kalilimutan that is a whole number being separated by a decimal point. Yung sa kaliwa naman is a decimal point. Halimbawa, ito. Yung 1 tapos 9/10 which is greater, 1 or 9/10? Alay mas malaki? 1 or 0? 1 or 0.9? Which is greater? 1 or 0.9? Yes, Andrea. Alright, 1 is greater than 0.9. Kasi nga yung pagitan ng decimal point, mas mababa pa sa 1 yung nandoon sa kaliwa ng decimal point. at yung nandoon sa kanan ng decimal point ay mga whole number na yan. No? So if we are going to compare, 1 and 0.9 is less than 1. So mas mataas yung 1. Eh paano pag ano? 100 thousands versus 100. Which is bigger? 100 thousands 0.100 versus 100. That is, which is greater? Alright, very good. So that is 100. Yeah. Lagi natin iisipin, pagka may decimal point, yung number ay mas mababa pa siya sa 1. Okay? So let's move on. Tingnan natin kung let us compare decimals. Yan pa na. Alright. So compare these following decimal numbers. You are going to write greater. Ito. Greater is arrow and less than arrow or equal. No? Write greater than or less than. Sige. Okay. Tingnan natin yung ating chat box. Okay, you can write your answer in the chat box. 4.6 is equal, less than, greater than 4/9, 4.9 or 4 and 9/10. What is your answer? Number 1 is Andrea Gale, less than. Sagot na lang, Hanalea. Hanalea, ano to? Less than. Okay, Hanalea. The first one to give is Andrea, less than. Then we have followed by Hanalea, Alpha, Mia, ayan, Humil, Darius, Rodrigo. How about the others? Alright. Yeah, Makeshi pala, sorry. Makeshi, less than. Chloe, Gail, less than. Alright. The correct answer is 4 and 6/10 is less than 4 and 9/10. Alright, so very good guys. Ito sa mga nakakuha. Okay, number 2. Okay, you go now. You can write now your answer on our chat. 0.72 is greater than or less than 0.27. Go. So we have number 2, Mia. First one to give, greater than. Hanalea, greater than. Joshan, greater than. Chloe, greater than. Danilo, greater than. Yung iba, 22 in daw. So, walang mga bagong pangalan. Angelica, ilan na? Ito bago. Okay. Alright, ang sagot natin dyan is 0.72 is greater than 0.27. Alright, very good guys. Ayan. Can I proceed with number 4? Number 4, go. Lagay nyo number 4. Ayan. 4. Ano to, Joshan? Number 4? Walang number. Ayan, number 4. Yep. The first one to give is Hanalea. She answered. Ano to, Hanalea? Less than? Less than. Del Santos, less than. Tingnan nyo to, ha? 0.6 versus 0.51. How do you compare that one? Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Meron bang ibang sumagot dito? Rafael Dula, greater than. Alright. So the answer is 0.6 is greater than 0.51. Ayan na siya. Okay. So that is greater than. Thank you. Very good. Hindi na nagkasagot yan. Okay. Sino yung sumagot? Rafael Dula. Okay. Let us have number 5. 873 is greater than or less than 0.873. Joshan. Number 5 to. 5. Ang sagot ni Joshan is, asan na siya? Okay, less than. You mean less than. Joshan, less than. Tingnan nyo maigi yung number. Tingnan nyo to, ha? This is 873. Okay. Tapos, 873 is equal greater than 0.873. O hindi raw equal. O, tama, hindi yan equal. Okay. O, Rafael Dula. Ay, kanina pa yan. Okay. That is greater than. Yan, Jaring, greater than. Alright. Mia, equal. You mean equal. Hindi siya equal kasi merong decimal point yung isa. So, it's not equal. No? So, the correct answer is greater than. Itong 873 is a whole number. Ito naman kaliwa is, kanan is 0.873. No? Mababa. Napakababa. Wala pa nga siya sa 1 eh. Alright, so the answer is greater. How about number 6? 0.46 and 0.4602. O yan, number 6. May sumagot? Less than. Mia, less than. Joshan, less than. Chloe, less than. Analea, less than. Rodrigo, less. Sumalde, Sidatron, less than. Less. Andrea. Ito lang yung mga masisipag na nagpa-participate, ha? Yung iba siguro nagtatago o naglalaro kasi naka-close yung cam nila. Alright, so the correct answer is wait lang. Hindi ka na sumasagot. Hindi ko na nakikita yung sagot mo, Danilo. Ayan, saan si Danilo? Wala. Wala ka pang sinagot. Ayun. Wala dito. Walang imo pangalan dong. Yan, Yumin, Joshan. Asan si Danilo dito? Wala dong. Sige, sagot ka ulit. Okay. Tingnan natin. Number 7. Number 6 muna. Number 6 is greater than. Number 7, 3.141 is greater than less than 3.181. What is your answer? Tingnan natin. Dami nagpapap dito. Nakatabunan itong ano natin eh. Ayan o. Chat box. Less than. Andrea, less than. 7 muna. Nakapag-add. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, number 7 is 3.14 versus 3.18. That is less than. Number 8, 0.00573 versus 0.0064. What is your answer, number 8? Greater than. Danilo. Ayan, nakita ko na yung sagot mo. Chloe, greater than. Hanalea, greater than. Number 8, ha? Patingin nga muna, number 8. Tignan nyo to. 0.00573 versus 0.0064. Meron bang ibang sagot dyan? Tingnan ko. Meron ibang sagot. Wow. Isa lang sagot. Ito. Number 8. Yan, pansinin nyo to. Itong tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000s na to. Pag binasa mo to, 573, 100,000s. Place na siya. Ito naman, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 64, 10,000. So, supposed to be, ang sagot natin dito is, should be less than. Okay. Nalipat. Sorry. Okay, number 9, 0.90 versus 0.95. Ang sagot dyan is number 9, less than. Alright? Very good. Yan, naka-less than si Yumi, Danilo, Mia, Rafael, Andrea. Uy, greater than si Andrea. Ano tong sagot mo, Dula, Rafael? Bakit ganito? Doble-doble. Nagkapatong-patong lang. Okay? Very good. So that is less than. And then we have the last one. Ayan, hindi pala. 1 to 12. Okay. 111.01011 versus 111.0.0000. Oh, with your answer, number 10, tingnan ko nga. Number 10 is, wow, greater than, oh, tingnan nyo maigi. (111.01011) versus 1111.000. Oh. So that is supposed to be, ayan, Yoshan, less than. Alright, so that is less than. Ayan, no? Tingnan mo. Wait lang, natabunan. Si 111.0. Ito naman, 111.00. Okay. Number 11. 11. 6.1002 versus 6.1021. Alright, so number 11 is less than, less than, less than, less than. Very good, guys. Less than. And then we have the last number. Bah, nag-overtime na tayo. So then we have 1083.01 versus 83.180. Alright, so that is greater than Jerain, Hanalea, greater than Yumin Sabanal, greater than. Alright, number 12. Ayaw iba, hindi na sumasagot. Ayaw na. Pagod na. Hindi, yung ibang classmate ninyo, kayo lang sumasagot eh. Alright, so that is greater than. Alright? So, ayan, magpasa tayo sa time. Tingnan lang natin itong assignment natin. Okay. Oh, no, overtime. Over the time na. Ayan. Alright, rounding of decimals. Ito, meron akong binigay na examples dito sa baba. Ayan. Paki-screenshot nga ito. Screenshot tapos isend sa GC. Ito yung example. No? Ayan, ito yung magiging activity nyo. Ayan. Ayan. Screenshot nyo rin yan tapos isend sa GC. Rounding of decimal. Decimal, place value, rounded number. Tens. Ira-round mo yan sa tens. Asan yung tens dito? 4.381. Asan yung tens dyan? No number. 4.3. O, yun, 3. Ngayon, ira-round off mo itong 3 dito. Yan. So, lagay mo yung answer dito sa kabila. Okay? Paki-screenshot tapos isend nyo doon sa GC sa mga gumagamit ng desktop at saka laptop para makita nila. Okay? Okay na? Na-screenshot na? Pa-screenshot nyo rin yung example. Ito. Ayan, paki-screenshot din to. Pag dito nyo ibabase, yung sagot ninyo ipapasa. Okay. O, na-screenshot mo na to. Ayan, ito. Ayan. Okay, isang screenshot na lang, tapos isang padala na lang sa GC natin para doon na lang titignan. Yan, ito. Rounding of decimal number. Okay? Okay na? Sige. Mag-ano na tayo, baka malate kayo doon sa kabilang room ninyo. Thank you very much, guys, for your participation today. And, yan. See you on our next online class. Okay, thank you. Sige. Paki-share na lang yung assignment sa GC. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.